Here's how you get free Bitcoin. Go to gotstrike.com. Right now, you can get $5 when you sign up and $5 for each referral. You sign up and get $5. Right now, I'm up to $15. But for you, when you sign up, it'll say $5. Then you click the Bitcoin button down here and click buy. For you, it'll say $5. Right now, for me, it says $15. $15. Confirm. Now I have $15 in Bitcoin. I'm going to send it to where I want to send it. All right, now I click paste to paste the address. It's going to ask me how much Bitcoin am I trying to send to the address. I want to send all of it. And that's the address right there. Confirm it. All right, withdrawal successful. May take up to 1 hour to process. Go to gotstrike.com to get your free Bitcoin.